CoConstruct versus Synchro, two well-known construction management software options, are often compared by businesses looking to streamline project management. But which one offers more features that will truly benefit your business? Stick around to find out, as we'll break down their key functionalities and ultimately reveal which software stands out. First, let's talk about CoConstruct. It's a solid choice, especially for custom home builders and remodelers. One of its standout features is its ability to easily manage project budgets. CoConstruct gives users powerful financial tools, including estimating costs, tracking expenses, and sending detailed invoices. For those managing multiple clients, it integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks, making it a great option for managing both finances and the actual construction work. But the downside? While it excels in budget management and client communication, CoConstruct's project management tools can feel a bit rigid. The interface isn't as customizable as some might like, which can make it feel somewhat restrictive if your business has unique workflows. The second thing to consider is that it's primarily designed for residential projects, which means it might not be as well suited for larger, commercial construction endeavors. Next, let's take a look at Synchro. Synchro focuses heavily on the construction schedule, offering a robust set of tools for planning and tracking progress. It's especially known for its 4D capabilities. This allows you to visualize the construction process with real-time data, helping you detect potential issues before they arise. It's a real game changer for large-scale projects where time management and visual coordination are critical. However, there's a catch. While Synchro shines in scheduling and project visualization, it's not as strong in the financial department. If your primary focus is budgeting and cost tracking, Synchro might leave you wanting more. The user interface can also be overwhelming, particularly for smaller teams or those new to construction software. Now, when comparing the two, it's clear that both have strengths in different areas: CoConstruct with its financial management and client communication tools, and Synchro with its advanced scheduling and 4D visualization. However, if you're looking for a more balanced solution that offers both powerful financial tools and advanced scheduling features, there may be a better option out there. The fourth thing to consider is ease of use. CoConstruct's interface is more intuitive for smaller construction teams and residential builders, whereas Synchro's advanced features might require a steeper learning curve and might be more suitable for larger teams and complex projects. Lastly, both platforms offer mobile apps, but CoConstruct's is more streamlined for on-the-go updates from the job site, making it a better option for those who need easy access to information in real time. Synchro's app, while feature-rich, might feel a bit overwhelming due to the sheer number of tools available. So, CoConstruct versus Synchro, what's the verdict? While both options have their merits, if you're managing a smaller to mid-sized construction project, CoConstruct's user-friendly features and strong financial tools might be the better fit. But if you're working on larger, more complex projects where time and scheduling are critical, Synchro's advanced 4D and project visualization could be what you need. However, after testing both of these software systems, I found an alternative that truly stands out in terms of both flexibility and functionality. If you want the best of both worlds, great budgeting tools and top-notch scheduling features, there's a better solution available. Take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description below. By using our link, you'll get access to an exclusive trial with added benefits, only available to our viewers. Give it a try and see how it can improve your construction project management.